Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this part of the video of the series, we will start looking into the checkout service, so stay tuned. All right, so the next service I want us to take a look is the checkout. In the checkout, there isn't much to it, right? We do have quite a few clients. We've already checked how to drag down the configuration for the client. So we got cart URL, we got order URL for this particular checkout, we got payment URL, and we got product URL. Right, so this thing I've got here is just a way of communicating with the API of the other services, and that's the only way you can sort out the API for the other services. So let's take a look at, and then we will come back to this. Okay, let's have a look at the first thing we're gonna look at is we don't have a module, we have a service, we have a controller. Then we take a look at the controller, because a cart itself is not really an entity. We won't persist it, right? Sorry, a checkout, we won't persist it. We just want to use the other services and do our work and pay for it and complete the order, right? So the controller, then we have a REST controller annotation, SL for F4J for login, requirement argument constructor, and the request mapping API /v1 /checkout. We are injecting the client payment service client here, and also checkout service. In the payment service, there's a method here that says process payment within the checkout controller. And okay, so the checkout itself is under development, but let me see. As I said, it's not completely done, but I wanted to show you payment service client. I wanted to show you how, because this system I've chosen is very complicated, right? It's very complicated. So the checkout still need a lot of work, and this I created this because there was an error. Sometimes you will say fail to create repositories so and so, you need a bin of so and so, and then that's how this is. I solved the problem when I checked it. That's how I solved the problem. The service, we will come back to this one, but these are the services that we need here for the service. So this needs a lot of work. I'm not gonna go into it. However, we have we have created the, let's see, checkout service in the configuration server, and then yeah, we've got all the details for it. We don't need this. I don't know why I created it. We don't need it, but the idea, but these lot we do. We don't need this, because what I did, I copy and paste this one, yeah, but we don't need a checkout database, do we? Anyway, the most important thing is to know this. Now this checkout bit needs a lot of work, and this is experimental right now, and I don't you can see I'm confused, right? I don't want to go into any further than it is, and there is no test for it, which means we shouldn't really mind what it is until I get to the point where I'm writing test cards. There is a test, and if it wasn't the fact that my discovery application server is not working, and I need to dig deeper and find out why, because it says connection refused, we'll be looking at the card right now. Hey, so this is the point when we can say that's it, you know. And then I think the next one is the big two. Okay, so the notification and the gateway. I will look into notification first before the gateway. Otherwise, we have covered product service, payment service, order service. We've also looked into the small ones, which is the cart and the checkout, which looks small but it's also big because it relies on the other service checkout, right? The discovery and the configuration server we already did from the beginning. So the next one is notification and then the gateway. Thank you for coming back to my channel.